One of the key features of this machine is its needle feed mechanism, and I'd like to display that closely. So as you can see, that as the needles plunge the material, they then advance the material along with the feed dogs. So the needles actually go down into the feed dogs as the feed dog and the needle move towards the rear in unison. This makes for a very positive feeding mechanism that is very helpful in construction methods that use folders and attachments. It's also good for advancing medium to heavyweight materials. This machine has automatic lubrication. Not only are the hooks lubricated from two reservoirs, one for each hook in the base of the machine, the top of the machine is lubricated from a reservoir that's in the top. Here is a gauge that you can check to see that your oil is full. And then this is used to turn the lubrication on and off. So when you're not sewing, you turn it off, and when you start to sew for the day, you just turn it on like this. And then when you're done, you shut it off. This machine features two large drop-in bobbins and hooks. You can see that the bobbins are quite large. These are automatically lubricated hooks. They each have their own reservoir with a dipstick. The gauge on these needles can be set anywhere from 3/30 seconds up to 1.5 inches. And that can be accomplished simply by purchasing the appropriate needle clamp, foot, feed dog, and this plate. Also, these hooks will be adjusted in or out by loosening these screws, and you can see the slots here, and these assemblies move along this shaft. You can see here and here, and these will move in or apart. The 333 can accept many attachments such as binders and folders. This plate has 4 threaded screw holes for the addition of attachments. Also, the plate can be removed for the addition of larger attachments. One example of an attachment is a waistband folder. With this machine set up with a wider gauge, say for instance 1.5 inches, this plate would be removed and an attachment such as this waistband folder can be attached by sliding this plate into the machine. So by using this plate or the screw holes that are included in the plate, you can apply waistbands, you can produce belt loops, you can do flat fell seaming or lap seaming. Very versatile machine.